Welcome to Genoa, where mountains meet the sea and tradition meets innovation. A historic port city on the Italian Riviera, Genoa is known worldwide as the birthplace of Christopher Columbus and stands as a hidden gem, rich in charm, culture, and business. With its medieval alleys, majestic palaces, Italy's largest port, international airport, and thriving energy, defense, rail, and medical industries, Genoa seamlessly blends past, present, and future. Smith's Interconnect Genoa was founded during Italy's industrial boom, strategically positioned near key industrial hubs. The production site began its journey manufacturing interconnect solutions for telecommunications and has since evolved its capabilities across a broader range of advanced technologies and markets. The Genoa site has earned a lasting reputation for high-quality products and customized design expertise. At the heart of our technology is the HyperTac Hyperboloid, a high-reliability contact technology that has become the foundation for further innovation. Over time, industrial automation has transformed our production, evolving from semi-manual assembly to highly automated systems capable of supporting large-scale output across a wide range of connector series. Today, Smith's Interconnect Genoa supplies industry-compliant, high-quality connectors to major OEMs worldwide, with the capability to support their global production needs. The site has also achieved key industry certifications and is a trusted, qualified supplier to some of the most demanding customers in the world. We've expanded our production capabilities with the introduction of spring probe contact technology, starting with the design and production of interposer solutions for the space market. Spring probe technology is a highly reliable, highly compliant, low-profile contact solution. More recently, with the introduction of our new high-speed probe assembly machine, we have completely automated the insertion of the micro components of spring probe technology. By using precision sensors and a closed-loop system, the machine ensures consistent quality and seamless assembly, eliminating the need for manual handling or costly and lengthy inspection testing. The entire production cycle of the new machine is carefully structured and optimized for quality and efficiency. Multiple control and inspection phases are integrated throughout the process to minimize waste and ensure exceptional reliability. At Smith's Interconnect Genoa, our automated machines are supported by an internally developed digital monitoring system managed by our skilled operators to guarantee real-time oversight and continuous performance. Smith's Interconnect Genoa is equipped with a wide range of advanced automated systems for connector and contact assembly, as well as specialized manufacturing processes. Behind our success is a team of dedicated professionals across operations, quality, R&D, administration, sales, and marketing, all working together to deliver reliable, forward-thinking technologies. Recognized in the market as a pioneer of progress, we are honored to be your trusted partner in cutting-edge connectivity solutions.